our beautiful and luxurious living space. This is our beautiful and luxurious kitchen. This is our beautiful, luxurious and spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and today in this video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Raghav Reserve, which is located near Kudalwadi, Chikhli, Pune, and is developed by Raghav Group. So as you can see, I'm at the actual location of this project, and right behind me is the sales office of this project. And right in front of me is the Chikhli road, जो आपको कनेक्ट करेगा लेफ्ट साइड देवमुशी रोड से और राइट साइड में स्पाइन रोड से. But before we go ahead with this project, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, giving you a bottom rate price. So, unlike any other current listing platforms where your number is shared with number of brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly with the builder, which means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today with Housey through the developers. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of Project 3D model. This project will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel, 2 towers with basement plus ground plus 13 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. Right now I'm standing on the Chikhli road in front of the sales office, which is near Kudalwadi Industrial Area, Chikhli, Pune, with Devumushi Road 700 meter, Spine Road 2 km and Chikhli bus stop 2 km. Now let's discuss the amenities of this project with the help of Project 3D model. This project has luxurious 30 plus amenities with likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, banquet hall, jogging track, multi-purpose court, senior sit-out area and many more. So as you can see, I'm standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat with 1242 square feet carpet area. So at the entrance, you get a digital door lock for security purpose, and this is the entrance lobby. Here you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now, before I show you the living space and the dining space, let's check out the kitchen as it's right at the entrance of the door. So this is our beautiful and luxurious kitchen, which has 2 granite platforms parallel towards each other. And right over there you get a dry balcony, over where you can keep your washing machine and other utilities. You also get a sink attached to it, and also on this side you can attach your refrigerator. Now let me show you the living space and the dining space. So this is our beautiful and luxurious living space, where here you can set up your couch, and over here you can set up your TV unit. And you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and 3-side cover. Now let me show you our dining space. So this is our beautiful and luxurious dining space, where you can set up your dining table and have lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you our first bedroom. But before I show you the first bedroom, we also have a powder room which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your beautiful first room, where you can set your bed over here, and right over here you can set your TV unit. And we also have a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And also over here you can set up your wardrobe. You also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. Now let me show you our second bedroom. So this is a beautiful second bedroom, which has a lot of walk-in space, and right over here you can set up your bed And right opposite here, you can set up your TV unit. And you also get an attached window to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And right over here, you can also set up your wardrobe. And also you get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So now let's check out the master bedroom. But before I show you the master bedroom, let me tell you what does Housey provides you. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules and 360-degree location tool, all just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today with Housey. Now let me show you the master bedroom. So this is our beautiful, luxurious and spacious master bedroom. As you can see, you have a lot of walk-in space over here, and right over here you can set up your bed, and right opposite you can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and one side cover. And right over here you can set up your wardrobe. You also get an attached master washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Raghav Reserve, which is located near Kudalwadi, Chikli, Pune and is developed by Raghav Group. For more such details, click on the given link below, and for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe Housey's YouTube channel, and also do visit www.housey.com to book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.